Hey everybody, it's Vanessa with American Epoxy coming at you live from Troy, Michigan. I just want to show you guys this cool job that we're doing here out in Troy. There's this huge office building that we're doing, and we're using our Tarco machine for grinding and leveling out the floors. Previously this job had carpet, old thick grody carpet with a bunch of glue stuck down onto the cement. And I just want to show you guys a cool part about American Epoxy and what we can do here and how we can even out your floors, make it look beautiful and everything. Check it out. As you guys can see, this industrial job originally had old carpet, which had layers and layers of carpet glue. Before we can lay down the epoxy, we had to remove it. So naturally, we brought with us the best grinder out there. And with this Tarco machine, it makes this 100,000 square foot job so much easier to prep. After we pound out the old studs and nails, we then can start the first step of grinding the floor. As we scrape off the old layers and layers of glue, you can start seeing the concrete underneath that old nasty yellow glue. Finally, once all the carpet glue is removed, we then switch to our diamond blades and remove the top layer of concrete to open up the pores so that our epoxy will adhere to the floor without leaving any blemishes. Well, that's all I have for you on this Tabletop Thursday. Stay tuned for the final photos of this job we did here in Troy, Michigan. And don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to our videos. Thank you and have a wonderful day.